Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to online classes of St. Thomas School. Standard 7, subject Maths. Question number 7. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10 gem 3 gem 12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. Here ratio it is given. From the ratio you have to find out percentage. This method already we learned. So it's a 10 gem 3 gem 12. Okay. Total part 10 plus 3 plus 12, it's a 25. So part of carbon, first of all, here we have to find out percentage of carbon in chalk. So we have to find out part of carbon. What is the part of carbon in the ratio? It is a 3. 3 out of 25. Total part is 25. Out of 25, third part is of, out of 25 total, 3 part is there. Then percentage of carbon in chalk, 3.25 multiplied by 100. So 25 4s are 100, 4 3s are 12%. Second one, if in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of chalk stick? Okay, quantity of carbon 3 gram. What is the weight of chalk? That is not given here, that we need to find out. So suppose let the weight of chalk be x gram. Now what is the weight of this carbon? What is the percentage? 12 that we got here. 12% of x is equal to 3 gram. So 12 upon 100 into x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 25 gram. So weight of chalk stick is 25 gram. Question number 8. Amina buys a book for 275 rupees and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? First of all, she buy a book for 275 rupees and loss percentage 15. So loss in rupees we have to find out. On 275 rupees, what is the loss? So loss is equal to loss percent of cost price. Okay, 15% of 275. So it's a 15 upon 100 into 275. So 41.25 rupees. Now what is the selling price? This loss you have to subtract from the cost price. That then after you will get selling price. So it's a 233.75 rupees. Question number 9. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Here, first one, principal. That is a 1200 at 12% of per annum. These examples are of interest, simple interest. So here is the formula. Simple you have to learn. PRT by 100. What is the formula? PRT by 100. This P, that is a principal. P is equal to 1200. Rate of interest, and T, time, 3 years divided by 100. 1200 into 12 into 3 by 100. So it's a 432 rupees. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. What is the principal? That is a 1200 rupees and simple interest, that is a 432 rupees. Add them up. So you will get amount. Same method you have to follow for the second example. 10th one. What rate gives 280 rupees as interest on a sum of 56,000 in 2 years? Okay, I hope you all know this. What is the meaning of this interest? Interest, in it means in Gujarati we are telling it is a vyaj. Okay, you borrow money from someone or you give money to someone at the rate of some percentage, some this kind of rate like 2%, 10%, 5% for some time of period, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 6 months. Okay, so when you give that money back to that person owner, then extra interest you have to pay with that amount. Okay, this extra money, that is known as a interest. And here formula to find out simple interest is a PRT by 100. For example, you borrowed 56,000 rupees from the bank, okay, for 2 years at the rate of interest not given, that we have to find out. Here it is given. Total 1200 rupees you have taken from your friend. For example, what is the rate of interest? 12% for a year. How many years? It's a 3 years. Okay, so 1200 you have to pay because that you have borrowed, but extra 432 rupees also you have to pay. It means total 1632 rupees you have to give it, you have to give back. Here in this example, rate of interest you have to find out. So for that, first of all, collect the data. 280 rupees interest, simple interest, SI is equal to 280 rupees. 56,000 sum, it is a principal, and 2 years, T is equal to 2 years. SI is equal to PRT by 100. 280 simple interest, what is that? 280, P is equal to 56,000, R you need to find out, T is equal to 2 divided by 100. Make this R as a subject. So this 100 will go to the other side. So it will be 100 upon 280, 100 into 280 divided by 56,000 into 2. Okay, same formula it is given here. Solve it out. So you will get 0.25%. That is the rate of interest. Last example. Here in this example, method that is the same, but you have to find out principal, the money borrowed. Okay, so first of all, let's read the question. If Meena gives an interest of 45 rupees for 1 year at 9%, what is the sum she has borrowed? What is the sum she has borrowed? It means find out P, amount. Simple interest, she has paid 45 rupees, rate of interest 9 for a 1 year. Okay, so simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest, that is a 45 rupees, P as it is, R is equal to 9, T is equal to 1 divided by 100. Make this P as a subject. So P is equal to 45 into 100 divided by 9 into 1. So P is equal to 500. So amount she has borrowed is equal to 500 rupees. Okay, here this lesson is over. In the next video, we will start new lesson, and I request all the students to write down this all exercise in your fair notebook. First of all, watch out all the videos properly, learn the method, understand the sum, and then you can write this lesson examples in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you.